another YouTube video, everyone. It's been a minute since we've done an outfit of the day, so guess what? Did you guess that we're doing another outfit of the day video? If you did, you would be correct. Extra goth points for you, good job. So I was at a vintage store literally yesterday, a very cool store called Out of the Past. You can follow them on everything, I think. They have like Instagram and Facebook and all that shit. There's Out of the Past and there's Wink, which is their second store. And we were just out fabric shopping, as we do, and we stopped into the vintage store and I bought myself a burgundy dress. Can you imagine? I had it on in the change room and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna buy this. It's burgundy, it's fucking weird. Like, I don't know, am I gonna wear it? Well, anyways, I decided to wear it. I decided to style it today for the very first time, it being on my body. And I don't know what I came up with. This is sort of like a weird, wayward Victorian asylum girl mixed with like 90s grungy, gothy stuff. So I think it looks really cool. I hope you do too. Let me show you what I styled. All right, so here we are, full-length body shots of this fabulous dress. It's actually reading more red in the pictures than it is in real life. In real life, it's actually a darker burgundy than this. And I'm kind of thrilled that this was handmade by somebody in the 1960s. Like, it has no company labels in it, no serging, all seam binding, all handmade. I'm sure that some lady made this for like a fancy Christmas party or something in the 1960s, and now it's mine. And I'm positive that whoever wore this before me did not style it this way, but that's too bad for them because I certainly like this a lot better. Decided to wear my short new rock boots so that you can see more of the socks. Those are not tights, those are socks. The tall ones went too far up to my knees and you weren't getting enough of the socks, so I decided to wear the shorter ones. The socks, unfortunately, did not want to stay up because the elastic is shot in them because they are very old, so they kept falling down on me all day, and my garter belt was not long enough to hold them up, so that was something I had to deal with, but totally worth it. The purse is actually a vintage box that I picked up at a flea market. Don't know what it was originally, but it's my lunchbox now. Painted a crucifix silver, put it on the box, DIY'd it myself like I do with all of my stuff, and I fucking love it. It's one of my favorite little lunchbox purses to carry around. These are also some of my favorite rings. I've got my black poison ring, got my armor ring that I've owned for 8 million years. It's dented to fuck. My dad's had to replace some of the pins in it. It's totally worth it. I'll hold on to it forever. The cross ring was given to me in the bathroom at a club by a drunk girl who said I absolutely deserved it because I looked so fabulous, and she took it right off of her hand and gave it to me because we were now friends because she had given me this ring, and I was thrilled to have it. I've never gotten a gift from a drunk girl in a bathroom before. That was my first time for that. And yeah. All right, so there you have it. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how I feel, but I feel cute. Like in like a, but I can't make it too cute. That's my problem. I literally put this on. You can't wear a belt. Tried that. Can't wear rosaries. Tried that. Can't wear you can't wear anything. This is literally like you put it on and then you get jewelry. That like short jewelry. That's all you can wear. So I put on my small collar. Wasn't big enough. And I really fucking didn't want this to read like Lolita because don't have anything against Lolitas. It's just really not my jam. It's really not my jam and it does not fucking suit me. So I had to find a way to make this like weird vintage 1960s dress like more badass, which I think I did by adding like the weird 90s goth elements. And you know, there used to be those people that went to concerts that were like the stripy tights and like lunchbox kind of concert kids, and I'm like, I think I could pull that off. I think I can pull that off, and I hope I did. Let me know what you think about how I styled this dress. It's really unusual for me, but I kind of like it. I kind of like the weird smoked out like filthy makeup I did with it. Everything in burgundy, it's all good. And if you liked this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, that would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more amazing. Ring the bell for notifications as usual. You'll get notifications for when I put out new videos. Maybe I'll start wearing other colors. It's not fucking likely, but you never know unless you ring the bell, do you? If you want to follow me on any of the things, I have all the things. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok. I have, what else? Depop, if you want to check out my secondhand stuff, depop.com/MadamAbsinthe. All of them are under Madam Absinthe. I have Ko-fi. If you want to buy me a Ko-fi, it's ko-fi.com/MadamAbsinthe. You can buy me a Ko-fi there to help me save up for proper goddamn recording equipment so I'm not always as echoey as I am now. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, follow me on all the things, buy me a Ko-fi if you want to, check out my Depop for some cool secondhand stuff. Let me know what you thought about the way I styled this dress, and I think that's it. I'll see you guys around for my next outfit of the day video.